Okay, so this video is designed to show you how to get around the Canvas modules. So this is where you're going to start. This is going to be the home page. And then pretty easy, you're just going to click on module week 1. That's obviously going to take you through the Start Here module and into week 1. I want you to begin with the Start Here module. It's going to give you prompts as to where to go. It will give you the syllabus, course description. Remember, you're always welcome to go back over here to modules. That'll take you back to where we were. Go through navigation. That's where this video is located. Participation, grading. Then you're going to come down to the syllabus quiz. It's 5 questions. And once you get 100%, it will allow you to enter into module 1. Now, every week we'll have a new module. Each week it covers a chapter. You'll have the introduction with the PowerPoints. And again, I always use module just to go back. It's much easier. You'll have your chapter quiz that's due October 11th, your chapter 1 assignment, your discussion question, your worksheet, and then the summary of everything that we've covered for that particular chapter. And that'll help kind of reaffirm what you've completed for the week. Again, I want you to make sure you're checking this at least twice weekly to make sure there's no changes in your assignment. As always, watch the PowerPoint. The PowerPoint is a supplement to the reading. It's not in exchange or in substitute for the reading. So make sure you're also doing the reading as well as watching the PowerPoint. Please let me know if you have any questions. Again, in the modules, there's also a place where you can ask questions to other students and get answers there if that's more comfortable for you. And feel free to message me, and that would be through Canvas. In your home section, it will give you the option to message me.